Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can find your public IP address and also explain why it's important. What is public IP? A public IP address is like your home address on the internet. It is given to you by your internet service provider. When you open website or use app, this public IP tells the internet where to send the data. Without a public IP, your computer or phone cannot talk website. Think of it like if someone wants to deliver a parcel to your house, they need your home address. Similarly, website need your public IP to send information back to you. Now the easiest way, just open Google and type what is my IP. On the top, Google will directly show you a public IP number. You can also use website iplocation.net. When you open them, they will show you public IP and sometimes even your approximate location. This website not only show the number but also give an extra info like your city or country. If you like command line, do this: press Windows key, R type CMD and press enter. Now type this command, press enter, and you will see your public IP. Another way is by checking your router. Open your browser, type your router gateway like 192.168.1.1 login. That's example. And in the status or WAN page, you will see your public IP. The router is the first device that connects to the internet, so it's always know your public IP. Why is public IP important? Now the big question, why is this number important? It identifies you online like your house address. It's used to connect app, games or server. If you want to access your computer or CCTV remotely, you need your public IP. It can also show your location, but it is also security risk. Hackers can try to attack if they know your IP, so always use a firewall, antivirus or VPN for safety. Public IP is powerful but also sensitive. That's why companies and individuals sometimes hide it using VPN. So that is how you can easily find your public IP address, and now you also know why it's important.